Hey guys, how are y'all doing? Again, you know it's a girl Twin D, and it's a little update here on the garden. I think it's about a month and probably 2 or 3 weeks now or whatever since I planted the garden. This that you're looking at is my lettuce. Guys, listen. I got more than I expected. I never knew that they would have grown so much that I planted, but they are looking quite good. I think I need to pick them now because I have a batch here that's getting burnt. It's getting burnt, so I'm gonna have to take these out today and eat them. So look how beautiful these are, guys, and that's my marigold still growing right there, and of course our corn. That's our corn that's growing, guys. I can't wait till it's big enough. And we have some beans here. There's some beans growing. I didn't know that the beans would be so short. The tree, I didn't know the tree would be so short. But there we go. Let's go over to the other side and let's see how they're doing. Alright guys, so right here, before we go over to the other side of the garden, we have our thyme. It's coming along pretty good, right? Look how beautiful this thyme is. Fresh thyme, who knew? Who knew? And our tomatoes, guys, they're starting to get blossoms right now, so I'm looking forward to some tomatoes pretty soon. That's our tomatoes. And now our zucchinis. Oh my gosh, guys, I'm so excited for this one. Look. We got a fruit. We got a fruit right there. And another one coming in there. And another one right there. Guys, this one is still coming. I had to chop away some of these flowers because I think it was taking away some of the sun, so this one wasn't growing too strongly. And this one, it's still coming. Guys, I have less than a month left, and I'm praying that the fruits do develop, you know, because I did start late. And these right here, these lettuce right here, this is what I had left in the box after I took the ones from the other side out of the box. But these, they were dying because they were so claustrophobic in the box because of how many sprung up. So right now they're just coming together. See, they're looking quite fresh again, and the ones that were dying, the leaves, they're falling off. So I'm gonna probably have to give some of these away. I have too many lettuce, and I had to replant my watermelon. I don't even think they're gonna make it for before it gets cold, but let's pray, okay? Fingers crossed, fingers crossed. But anyways, guys, that's it for our update, or garden update. And when the fruits get bigger, I will definitely show you guys again. Take care of yourselves, everyone. Love you all. Oh, wait. One eggplant survived. I forgot to tell you. One, you remember the tiny ones that were there? Well, one survived, and thank you, eggplant. Let's see how they're going, or they will go. All right, later, guys. Later. Love you all. Like what, like God.